Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your own seasoning mix for beef and pork. Actually, anything but chicken this is really good on. I've tried it on lamb and my family wants to know how I do it so they can do it on their own, and it's a very simple mixture. It's 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 3/4 cup of Lawry's seasoning, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 cup of ground pepper. Now these portions are specific for the container I'm going to use, which is the silver one. But if you're going to make a larger portion, what it ends up being is like 50% Lawry's, 25% ground pepper, and the rest of it at 12-13% of each on the garlic powder and onion powder. It's really good actually. When I do this on my ribs, I do nothing to my baby backs except wash them, put this powder in them, wrap them in foil paper, and put them in the oven like at 7 p.m. the night before. Pull them out the next day at 10 a.m. I've cooked them overnight at 200 degrees and they're falling off the bone. I put them in the grill with barbecue and they're so good. But for this particular video, this is the way you make the seasoning blend. So that's pretty much it. So I hope this helps you. And I am going to make some steaks after this. You're welcome to stay for the video and watch the rest of it, or enjoy this blend on your own cooking. Either way, I hope this helps. Enjoy.